how to transfer from Paysafecard to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about the steps how you are going to be using a Paysafecard to transfer to PayPal. Now, most people have this misconception that you can't transfer from your Paysafe to PayPal because Paysafe is basically your own bank account online. Okay, so you can pay online without a bank or credit card, right? Now, PayPal, on the other hand, you do need to link a bank or credit card on PayPal to transfer from there. Okay, so basically, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna make a MasterCard. Okay, it's called a Paysafe MasterCard. Okay, and you're gonna basically apply for this Paysafe MasterCard by coming on Paysafe's website. So, once you've made a Paysafe MasterCard for yourself, you're gonna take that MasterCard and you are gonna connect it to your PayPal. Okay, you're gonna go to your link cards in PayPal, and once you go over there, you are gonna link your card. Okay, so basically it's gonna allow you to link a credit or debit card, and you are going to be linking your Paysafe MasterCard with this, and what that will do is it will allow you to transfer between Paysafe and PayPal. So that's how simple it is. So just create a Paysafe MasterCard and you should be good to go. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.